As we age, maintaining a healthy weight becomes increasingly important for overall health and well-being. For individuals aged 60 and above, the challenges of weight management can be more pronounced due to changes in metabolism, muscle mass, and lifestyle. However, with the right strategies, it is entirely possible to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Here are some effective approaches to consider. Understanding the changes as we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect weight. One significant factor is the loss of muscle mass, which typically begins in our 30s and accelerates after 60. Muscle burns more calories than fat, so a decrease in muscle mass can lead to a slower metabolism. Additionally, hormonal changes can influence body composition and fat distribution. Understanding these changes is crucial for developing effective weight management strategies. Prioritize nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is fundamental to maintaining a healthy weight. Focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your meals. This includes lean proteins. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. Protein helps preserve muscle mass and keeps you feeling full longer, which can aid in weight loss efforts. Fruits and vegetables. These are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They can help you feel satisfied without consuming excess calories. Whole grains. Choose whole grains over refined grains to benefit from additional fiber, which can help regulate digestion and keep you feeling full. Healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, in moderation. These fats can provide essential nutrients and promote satiety. Stay active. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, especially as you age. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular exercise and strength training. Cardiovascular exercise, activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can help burn calories and improve heart health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week. Strength training. Incorporating resistance exercises at least twice a week can help build and maintain muscle mass. This is crucial for boosting metabolism and supporting weight management. Monitor portion sizes. As metabolism slows, it becomes important to be mindful of portion sizes. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help manage hunger and prevent overeating. Consider using smaller plates and bowls to help control portions visually. Additionally, paying attention to hunger cues can help you eat only when necessary. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is often overlooked but is vital for weight management. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider starting meals with a glass of water to help control appetite. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and can significantly impact weight management. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite, leading to increased cravings and potential weight gain. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight management efforts. Consult with healthcare professionals. Finally, it's beneficial to consult with healthcare professionals, such as a registered dietitian or a physician, to create a personalized plan that considers your unique health needs and goals. They can provide guidance on nutrition, exercise, and any necessary medical considerations. Conclusion. Maintaining a healthy weight as you age is achievable with the right approach. By prioritizing nutrition, staying active, monitoring portion sizes, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and seeking professional guidance, you can effectively manage your weight and enhance your overall health. Remember, it's never too late to adopt healthier habits, and every small change can lead to significant improvements in your well-being as you navigate this vibrant stage of life.